So answer to the quiz 3 CNS. It is 26-year-old female patient. What we have here is headache, blurring of vision. So I'm just going to mark important things. There is a blurry vision, convulsions, and cesarean delivery 3 days ago. So blurriness of vision would uh, point towards occipital lobe. Convulsion will point towards cortical etiology. Caesarean section and body swelling both will point towards some pregnancy related like preeclampsia or eclampsia. So even without seeing the case, what you can hope is somewhere like this you will have on MR. The differential most important would be press, and in press what we have is T2 or flare hyperintensity, which are cortical and subcortical, and they will have a vasogenic edema. That means on diffusion weighted images it will be negative. That means it will not have corresponding low ADC. Okay, so there will be a T2 shine through on lower p values, and that's it. So in this case the answer was press. This is like a typical press case where you have predominantly occipital regions. At the same time, uh, temporal regions are also affected. Maybe a bit of a midbrain region, you can see some sort of a panda thing happening. But that's not really prominent, but most prominent things are occipital, which actually supports why there is a blurriness of vision. The only other sequence which is helpful here is diffusion weighted images, where you will see there is no restriction of diffusion at all, and SWI images, because sometimes in the atypical press there will be restriction of diffusion and there will be blooming, and that press is like 10% and has a poorer prognosis. So that's the answer for your case, and have a nice day.